Because it's interesting too to see that within that setting, right, of Earth being this, it gives an equal plan, like an equal plane for animals, right? Which is what is then created. Because if we look at then after the third day creating the waters, and the second day creating the heavens and the earth, for the day you have the sun, the moon, and the stars. So now it's like even within the space you have first, like before Viathan, it's like on the same. It's kind of like what that sets us at this plane, which is the earth, from which we look, and then we see what populates the heavens. What is that moves around, that setting again that is larger than us, and then that which fills the seas, that which is below us, or that fills our surrounding, and then we have the fish and the birds, and then the animals, right? And then it's interesting too, I think, that it separates between the fifth day being where the fish and the birds are set, which is kind of like these like creatures that are not as close to us because they don't. They are escaped in some other realm. They are either on the air. And again, if you look, especially if you look at it from the perspective of ancient humans, in the sense like now we can fly and now we can get underwater. But I wonder even if these humans knew how to swim. So it's like I didn't even think about that like that. But like the water, even if you know how to swim, it's like you cannot really get that far away from the shore before it's becoming dangerous, very dangerous, right? Like I know how to swim, and I'm not gonna swim too far into the sea. And because then when they mean the waters, is like that which is beyond, like a river is just like water flowing through the earth, but it's not. And even in here when we get to chapter 2 is when he talks about springs and the water that is within the earth that springs forth to give life, separated from the water as the body of water that is dangerous, that is dark, that is full of. It's ever changing, and it looks monotonous, but it's full of chaos. It's basically that chaos that we find outside in space, but we find it inside of our world. So the birds being kind of this in between, that this creature that is on the air, in that frontier with space. So it can be all those living creatures that even if we were to find aliens or whatever, live like life in other planets, those would be, in my view, the birds, those creatures that are in the heaven, or close to the heavens, that they have a relation to us in that they are living, but they don't belong to the same realm. And in the seas, the